channel. Yegi here. Thank you for coming. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're gonna go over how to do an eyelash fill, and we're gonna give her a nice wispy look because that's what she likes to get. And I will show you how to remove overgrown eyelashes, how to fix them, adjust them, to do a fill on somebody who comes back to you after 2 to 3 weeks. On her, I'm going to be using the Mega Volume eyelashes in 0.05, 16 millimeters. And in between those, I'm going to mix in and do a wispy look with our cashmere eyelashes in the D plus curl again, 12, 14, 16, no, it's 10, 12, 14. To give the shorter lengths in between the 16 of the Mega Volume to give that nice, pretty wispy look. And I'll show you guys in detail as I'm doing it on her, where they go. I'm going to use the Mega Volume eyelashes to create the nice fans as wide as possible to give that the fluffy look for the client. But for the cashmere wispy eyelashes, the way I'm going to use them is I'm not really going to fan them out, and this is a weird little technique that I do. Usually people think it's wrong, or they think it looks weird because they're not fanning it out, but it's volume and we're putting a feel on there. But the reality of it creates a really nice wispy look in between those beautiful Mega Volume fans. Because the cashmere eyelashes we have, the Yegi cashmere lashes, are a few different lengths within each row. So you'll see in the video as I'm placing the cashmere ones, pay attention, I'm not really fanning them out because I want them to kind of look wispy in between the fans to mimic kind of a false eyelash, falsy, wispy look. People also always ask what tweezers I use. I use the regular Yegi white 5 tweezers, the curved tweezers you'll see in the video, and I use the white 6 tweezers, which are the straight tweezers that you'll see in the video. And then throughout it, as you keep watching, I switch when I'm trying to make a bigger fans or nicer fans. I switch to 2 curved tweezers, and for this video, I'm using 2 of the Y5 tweezers. Okay. A lot of times I also use the Pro S-type tweezer instead of the Y5. It's a little bit better quality, you get better grip on it, and it's not really much of a price difference. So I'll link the products below if you're interested, because a lot of people ask what I use. If not, just skip through this. So one other thing I want to tell you guys in the video, it's kind of hard to see the mapping of the eyelashes, where I put the fans and where I put the cashmere eyelashes. So if you pay attention, anything that looks like a fan, those are the Mega Volumes. Anything that kind of looks like a straight, kind of more of a classic eyelash, those are actually 2 or 3 cashmere volume eyelashes, but they're not fanned out to give it a wispy look instead of a more fluff. In the next videos that I'm going to record freshly, I'm going to try to be a little bit more detailed with that and slow it down. But this video I recorded a while ago, and I just really wanted to get something educational up for you guys.
Alright, so we're gonna do a fill on her. She has a lot of overgrown eyelashes. Her lashes grow pretty fast, so you guys can see the root right there, and how grown out it is. And some of them are twisting and turning, so we're gonna remove the ones that are not looking cute. And she wants a wispy long look, so I'm going to choose to use lengths 14 and 16 with the new Mega Volume lashes, but I'm also going to put some silk lashes in there to give that wispy look. And I will break that down a little bit more as I'm applying.
I will also be covering how to remove the overgrown eyelashes. I know I mentioned that before. There's a technique that I use to remove without really damaging the natural eyelashes and without using the remover. So then you don't have to remove the whole thing, and you can just remove the ones that are overgrown or ugly or twisted, and then you can continue on adding doing your fill.
But I do want to show you guys how to remove some, if you're only removing a few, without damaging the natural lash, okay? So you're gonna gently hold the natural lash. For example, with this one, you can see that's the natural lash and it's kind of sticking out from there, so I can hold it from the natural lash and peel it towards me gently like that, and it won't even hurt her, it won't bother her. Okay, so for example, this one, I don't see any little edge I can hold on to from the natural lash to peel it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it where the glue is stuck to the base of the natural eyelash, and with my second tweezers, I'm going to twist it like so without pulling on her natural lashes. What this is doing is this is actually breaking the bond of the glue with the natural eyelash, so then I can easily peel it off without damaging her natural eyelash nor hurting her. There we go. Yay! Did that hurt? Okay, good. Okay, and then I just gently peeled off if there was any glue residue. I just gently scraped it without really pulling her natural lash, and at that point it just comes off. So a little trick for you guys. Alright, now I'm going to select the lashes I'm going to use on her. I'm going to use our cashmere wispy lashes. Okay, what the cashmere wispy lashes are, because she wants that wispy look, so in each row there's different lengths. I don't know if you guys could see on the camera, but on each strip there's different lengths, so they're already wispy. Okay, on this one specifically, it's our D or D plus curl, 10, 12, 14. So in each row they're all mixed within 10, 12, and 14, and I'm going to add these in between the 16 of the D plus curl of the mega volumes to give her that nice wispy look. Okay, almost like a false eyelash, really full.
like, subscribe, do all that stuff. It gives me more energy and makes me more happy to do more videos for you guys. Yeah, thanks. Bye. So comment below if you do have questions, if you have any other suggestions. I would love to make them perfect for you or give you what you want. Thank you again. Thanks for watching. Bye. Yegi here. Subscribe, like, share, do all the fun things to help me. Thank you. Love you.